Alright, so it's almost my mother's birthday and I gave her this for a present. I was originally going to keep this in the seal, but she requested, an unboxing for it. So yeah, I know I already have this DVD, but this one feels more special because, it has like entire slipcover. This copy of Mary Poppins is very unique. Have you seen this slipcover before? I sure haven't. I got this for only $16, which was a pretty good deal. I don't know if this is rare or not, but we'll see. Or we'll not see, but who knows. Wasting perfectly good seal. Oh, you're gonna be angry in the comments, being like, "What? You're wasting like 20-year-old seal, and you're getting rid of like 20-year-old seal, especially something this unique." Well, guess what? It's my life. Deal with it. Let's see what's inside. Try and get this out. There we go. Something else. No, there isn't anything else. I was expecting there was something else, but I guess not. And anyways, here it is. It has a slipcover on it, which is pretty cool. Neither of my copies had a slipcover before, so that's what makes this one cool as well. And as for this DVD, I'm actually going to give this one away in the seal, and because I already do have one without the seal on it, so that's how it's gonna go. Or I guess I'll just show you the actual DVD itself. Might as well. Alright, let's get this back. It's so hard to get back in. I'm trying not to rip this thing. Anyways, that's it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'll get this in soon.